I'm guessing this is... They spoiled me! It's more Clarisonic brush heads. It's a tote bag from the Audio Network. Cute. A Kitsch shower cap. Top 20. A hair towel. A fancy one. It's really soft. More mineral goodness. Amazeballs bath fizzers. The seaweed bath. Hydrating seaweed bath. I think they're telling me I need to bathe. Exfoliating body sponge. This is a Redken bag. Redken thermal holding spray. Sculpting gel. All over bodybuilder. And that's it for the first box. Move. Top 20. That's me. That's my face. That's my makeup. We have eyes, tools, lips, face, and specialty. I will start with specialty. So they're primal color eyeshadows. It's vivid, bright cream color, and more of their face and body paints. Okay, now on to face. They're glitter! Born to glow. Just honey do me up. It's that fancy drop stuff that all these YouTubers use on their face. I never know what it does with the gold inside it, but I'm about to find out. More glow stuff. Pro Foundation Mixer. Lips. Look at this chrome goodness. Ooh, and metallic. Look. Metallic matte. Soft matte metallic lip cream. Strictly vinyl lipstick. These shades are gorgeous. Gorgeous. And more lip liners. Tools. Oh. More brushes. And beauty blenders. Oh, this is cute. Look at this little NYX makeup bag. Cute. Sponges, blenders. Look at all these brushes. Eyes. Look. Glazed and confused. Look at all their glitters. Glitter primers. Strictly vinyl eyeliners. The Smoky Eye eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Perfect filter eyeshadow palettes. All these lashes. Holographic halo eyeshadow. This is cool. Jumbo eye pencils. These eyeliners. All those colors. Thank you all for getting me to the top 20. Your votes and love and comments and likes and all of that meant the world to me. The second challenge will be revealed on June 4th, and then on June 15th through the 31st, you guys can vote for my look. Thank you all for your ongoing support. I cannot wait to start this next challenge.